In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover mail from Gmail. First, let's begin by opening Gmail. You can do this by typing gmail.com into your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar interface with your inbox displayed. This is where all your emails come and go. If you are not already signed in, enter your email address and password to access your account. This initial step is crucial because it allows you to navigate to your emails and manage them effectively. Next, we need to access the trash folder. On the left side of the Gmail interface, look for the menu. You may need to scroll down to find the trash folder. It is usually located below the inbox and sent folders. Click on it to open. This step is important because it is where deleted emails are stored temporarily. Remember, emails stay in the trash for up to 30 days before they are permanently deleted. Now, let's find the email you want to recover. Take a moment to browse through the emails listed in the trash folder. You can use the search bar at the top if you remember the subject or sender's name. This can save you a lot of time. Highlighting the importance of this step, finding your email in the trash ensures you can retrieve it before it is gone forever. Once you locate the email, the next action is to select it. Simply click the checkbox next to the email you want to recover. You will see the selection highlighted. This selection is essential because it tells Gmail which email you intend to move back to your inbox. It's a straightforward action, but it's a critical part of the recovery process. Next up, you'll want to click on the Move To option. This button is located at the top of your screen, represented by an icon that looks like a folder with an arrow. Click on it to see a drop-down menu. Understanding this part matters because it directs Gmail on where you want the selected email to go. From there, choose Inbox from the list of options in the drop-down menu. This will move your selected email from trash back to your main inbox. This action is vital because it restores your email to its original location, making it easy to find and access again. After completing all these steps, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your email has been moved successfully. This reassurance confirms that your recovery was successful, allowing you to feel confident in managing your emails. Remember, recovering emails from trash works only if they have been deleted within the last 30 days. If it has been longer, you may need to explore other recovery options. This is a key point to keep in mind as it sets expectations for what you can recover. In summary, recovering mail from Gmail is a simple process if you follow these steps. First, open Gmail and access the trash folder. Then, find the email you want, select it, and click Move To. Finally, choose Inbox to complete the recovery. By following these steps, you can easily manage your emails and ensure important messages are not lost. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!